A bike rider was injured with an accident between a passenger bus and a bike on Monday evening. His name is Bijoy Das. After the accident, firstly he was taken to Bishalgarh Hospital and later was taken to Agartala GB Hospital. Incident occurred in front of Bishalgarh English Medium School. On Monday, an accident occurred between bus and bike in front of Bishalgarh English Medium School, due to which rider of bike is severely injured. His name is Bijoy Das. After the accident, firstly he was sent to Bishalgarh Hospital and later referred to Agartala GB Hospital. Bishalgarh police reached at the incident place after they got the information. However, the bus driver escaped from the incident place in fear of beaten up.
English medium school accident. একটা বাসে মনে সম্ভবত পাবলিকে যা বললো একটা বাইকের এক বাড়ি দিয়ে ফালাই দিয়ে গেছে।
কি নাম বাইকওয়ালার?
হ্যাঁ, বিজয় দাস, নমপাড়া বাড়ি, বয়স আনুমানিক 25-26 হইল।
অবস্থা কিরকম?
সিরিয়াস কন্ডিশন।
এখন কোন জায়গাতে পৌঁছেছে?
এখন আমরা বিশালগড় হসপিটালে পৌঁছাই দিছি।
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.